that are in the Discord and have access to the 32 classes, which is going to be 36 today because I'm adding 3 more classes. For those of you that are in there and you're looking at the 8-week technical analysis boot camp, let me know if I took you all through how to set up them bots. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, bro. Maybe not, but I appreciate everybody that's tuning in and tapping in. What we're gonna look at real quick, just real quick. Let's take a look at ETH versus Bitcoin, right? Because this is what's really gonna tell you who's outpacing who. Right now, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful reversal. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Now, this is a monthly chart. So these are 2 very strong monthly candlesticks that you're seeing right here with Bitcoin. Excuse me, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. My apologies. Now, the main thing that I see going on here is that we have reached into the 61.8, which is the top of the golden ratio, right? Normally, we can hit this level and then have a retracement, pull back, reset our bearings, and then continue higher, right? So what we'll be looking for as of right now, as Ethereum is trading at 4,003,100 Satoshis, we'll be looking to see if we can take out 4,224 Satoshis, or if we end up losing 3,755 Satoshis. If we lose the 3.7.5 million Satoshi mark, I'll look for a retracing back down to the bottom of the golden ratio, somewhere around 3,286 sats. All right. Y'all got to start understanding the crypto lingo, especially when we're talking about goods, services, or other assets denominated against Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? Those are the things that you really want to kind of understand about it. So ETH versus Bitcoin is strong, right? If we take a look, let me see, BTC, Bitcoin versus Ethereum. See, now this is Bitcoin versus ETH. This is how Bitcoin is faring off versus ETH. So Bitcoin's bearish as of right now versus the Ethereum. And you just got a fresh monthly sale on the UT bot alerts. All right, so Bitcoin versus ETH, just so we're clear on what we're looking at. ETH versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin versus ETH. ETH versus Bitcoin. Which one would you want to be holding in a market like this for the most part? All right, or which one would you... So if I was put in a position, right, where someone told me to make a decision of which one to go with, right? Just because Bitcoin does see less volatility to the downside than its counterparts, what I would do is I would take the choice to go with Bitcoin first. But then what I would do is I would just collateralize my Bitcoin, borrow against it, and then go grab Ethereum